We are here to introduce our project, Game for You. Our team members include Fan Xingyin, Qingli Zhang, and Yuchen Luo. First is the intro and business value. Every game has its lifespan and people will keep looking for new games. Nowadays, there are lots of game fans in the world, so we think it's highly valuable to build a game recommendation website through which people can filter and find the most suitable games for themselves and can quickly get the basic information and characteristics of each game. Our disk site have two CSV files. The first one is information for more than 5,000 current popular games. The second one are total more than 300,000 comments for those games. This is our project system. It can be split to two parts, backend processing and web application. Now I will introduce our work in backend processing. The first part in backend processing is data cleanup. For info table, we removed useless information and maintained data integrity. For comments table, we got rid of insincere comment records and removed useless information. The second part is game rating. We computed average rating after filtering useless data. In the third part, we created labels for games by comments. Firstly, we used the natural language processing, aka NLP, to recognize adjective words. Secondly, we searched all comments and records involved adjective words to build adjective list for data. Thirdly, we filtered out some useless adjectives, such as good, interesting, and other. Then we used the NLP again to transform relevant words in comments from other formats to adjective. For example, we transformed amaze to amazing. At last, we computed the most frequent 5 keywords for each game as their labels. The fourth part is game recommendation. We want to provide customers with 5 games that are most similar to their favorite games, so we calculated the similarity of each game by giving composite weights to labels and genres. Each same genre was 1 point, and the label was 2 points. Then we added 5 games with the highest score to the recommendation list. In the last part, we completed info table. We added scores, labels, and recommendation to the info table, so the info table will serve as database for the web in the next stage. Now my team member will introduce our work in web application to you.
Hello everyone, let me introduce the web application part. At backend, we use HTML, JavaScript, and CSS, and for backend, we use Flask as our framework to connect front-end and database, and we use PostgreSQL to store our data. And then let me show you our demo. And here is our program. First, you can run it and then click the link of our website. And here is our first page, login page. You can tap into your username and password here. And after you tap it, you can click sign in. If your username and password is right, which means it has existed in our database, you can jump to our main page, or you will jump back to this page. And you can also create account if you want. For example, if we first try a wrong username and password and click sign in, it will jump back. And now you can click the create account button to insert your username and password. You can create account, and then you can use this to log into our main page. And here is our main page. And here you can search either by name or platform, and at the bottom is a link of email us. If you click that, it will automatically jump to the sending email page, and here is our email address. And now let me try to search by name. For example, I tapped MBA and click search by name and search, and it will jump to our search result page. At this page, we use fuzzy search, so you may see some game which doesn't contain MBA in their title, and it was sorted by the user score. And you can click the link of each game to jump to the information page. And here we display all information stored in our database, and here is the 5 recommended game for you. You can click the link whichever you want to jump to the recommended game. And now you can also try to search by platform, for example PC, and click search by platform and search, and you can see here are 1007 results whose platform is PC, and you can click it, and you can see the supported platform is PC. So that's all function for our website and presentation. Thank you for your watching.